the rain, it matters none. Just watch the years right off of me. Find the child that I once was, who believed and trusted all, and question none. I have wandered far from home, from who I am and from what I know, in circumstance or blatant lie, a journey flawed, the humankind. I have stood in rooms forbidden, swam the deadly tide, so many times that I lost track of any God by my side. I just got tired of running and pretending that I don't. Tired of twisting phrases to make you think I owned some kind of understanding, or something deeper still. I have wandered far from home, from who I am and from what I know, in circumstance or blatant lie, a journey flawed, the humankind, the humankind, helpless and falling again. From fear I know nothing, and then as time takes deadly aim on my soul, I must finally stand brave. Where are the words that have saved? So I'm told, as this wicked wind threatens to break my home. Helpless and scared, not a word to be had. Again naked I stand. What seems so right in definition, so simply scrawled to the page. Facts blurred by romantic memory, but held like a gospel's words. I have lived in speculation, unqualified, unsure,